Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your Groupon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click here on my stuff down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on my Groupon details. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on add card details here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch in here to open with you. So then here in this list, it's going to show for you here to add your card information. So you add it here in this list here, then you click on add card, then it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.